Hello, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. Hi, Jack. I'm Billy. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Toronto. You? I'm from Germany. In this very simple conversation, we're just meeting somebody for the first time. So we're saying hello to them. Hello, hi, hey, I'm Jack. I'm Jack. I'm Billy. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Okay, and then we're jumping right into some questions. Some of the first questions we might ask somebody is, where are you from? Where are you from? If we're in a big city with lots of different people, or we can see clearly that somebody looks different, then we're probably going to ask this question, where are you from? In this conversation, what do we have? I'm from Toronto. You? Yeah, I'm from Toronto. And you notice we don't have to say, and you? And we don't have to say, where are you from? We don't have to say this. We can just simply say, I'm from Toronto. You? And it's very easy to understand. We don't have to make it hard. We just add you to the end. You? I'm from Toronto. You? And then we can get the answer. I'm from Germany. Germany. All right, very simple, very easy. Hello, I'm Jack. Nice to meet you. Hi, Jack. I'm Billy. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from Toronto. You? I'm from Germany. Okay, there we have it.